guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'll show you how to activate soft tactics in eFootball mobile so you can change your team strategy during matches. So make sure you stick to the end of the video and let's get started with the video. First, start a match on eFootball mobile and during the gameplay, tap the tactics button on the bottom of your screen. To start a match, simply click on match and you can start any match you want from here. Currently, I have not completed the tutorial, so I'll guide you on how to do the soft tactics in eFootball mobile. Otherwise, you can simply head to Academy section and start with training here, so you can learn how to do it on training first before heading to real matches. These are preset settings like defensive, balanced or attacking. You can check them through your tactics menu. Tap the soft tactics you want to activate. Your team will immediately adjust their behavior according to the chosen tactic. You can also set custom soft tactics in your team settings before the match as well. You can tweak quickly during gameplay if you have any other plans in the middle of your gameplay. And that's it guys. Activating soft tactics on mobile helps you adapt to your strategy in real time. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe and comment your favorite tactic. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.